Do you know what to do in case of a grease fire? It's a scenario that can catch anyone off guard. Picture this. You're frying up your favorite dish and suddenly, whoosh, your pan is on fire. What's the first thing most people would think to do? Throw water on it, right? Wrong. Never, and I repeat, never use water to put out a grease fire. Water can cause oil to splash, spreading fire, or cause a fiery explosion. What should you do? Turn off the heat, smother the fire with a metal lid. This denies the fire of oxygen, effectively putting it out. But what if you don't have a lid or another pan handy? Use baking soda for a small grease fire. It releases carbon dioxide, suffocating the fire. But remember, this only works for small fires. Another alternative is a fire extinguisher. Use the past method properly. Always aim at the base of the fire, not the flames. This can effectively extinguish the fire. Remember, preparation is key. Keep safety tools nearby. Stay safe, stay prepared, and happy cooking.